Hoan Kiem Lake, Hanoi, Vietnam. Presented by Holidays on Shoestrings. Hoan Kiem Lake is a freshwater lake in the historical center of Hanoi. It is famous for its peaceful beauty and its cultural and historical values. Impossible to miss, as a lot of happening places like the Opera House, the Puppet Theatre, Ngọc Sơn Temple lie around it. The legend of the turtle and the sword is one of Vietnam's favorites. It narrates the story of how King Leloi received a magical sword from a golden turtle in the lake. This extraordinary weapon helped him liberate Vietnam from foreign invaders. Later, when the king was boating on the lake, the golden turtle rose out of the water and asked for his magic sword. King Leloi knew that it was time to return the sword to the god, and did so. The turtle immediately held the sword in its mouth and disappeared in the green water. To celebrate this event, the king decided to change the name of the lake to Hoan Kiem Lake, which means the lake of the restored sword. The water color of Hoan Kiem Lake is not commonly found in other lakes elsewhere in the country. Greenish with dark or light shade depending on the reflection of the sky. In the center of Hoan Kiem Lake stands a tower called Turtle Tower, a significant landmark of the capital Hanoi. During the French occupation, the Vietnamese revolutionary flag was hung on the top of the tower as a proof of Vietnamese hope for independence. Crossing the lake is a vibrant red bridge called the Hug. Walking around the shores of Hoan Kiem Lake, we spotted various flowers that were in full blossom. The lake is a happening place with not a square inch wasted. Statues are scattered around, and there are various exhibitions taking place. We spent a whole afternoon there just wandering around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your friends about it.